Okay, hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to save a Microsoft Word, right? Okay, and open it also, right? Okay, so now let's see all together. So example, this is the Microsoft Word that I already worked until here, and then before I stop, I would like to save it, right? Okay, so now let's go to see. In order to save the file, so we go to File and you choose the word save here, right? And then we browse into our computers, right? Browse here. So which drive do we keep? So I choose drive B, right? And after that I have the file name, right? The name of the file on my file, right? Okay, I just put here welcome to English, to learn English, right? Okay, after we type the name already, so we save this one. Okay, so now the file is already saved. So after that I close this file, this document, and I go to open, right? Okay, so we go to computers, this computers, right? Double click. Okay, and we go to drive D, not that type D here. Okay, and find word file, right? Okay, this welcome to learn English. Okay, and then I right click and open. I close this one. Okay, so this is my file that I save at the moment, right? Okay, so thank you for watching my video. If you want to see more video from my channel, don't forget like, share and subscribe to my channel also. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.